Okay. Hi guys. Just dropped by to say I'm just doing a meal prep for my lunch for the work week. So I want to eat healthy. So I'm just making some broiled chicken with the onions and bell peppers and of course some garlic. So I'm just going to broil this, let it cook, and then I'll add some Um, I'll make the sauce a little thicker so that when I put it over my rice, it'll be good. So this is just my lunch prep for the week. And it's just some broiled chicken wings with, I use the purple onions or the red onions. I use the red onions because I wanted it to look pretty. See? So just a quick video on my meal prep for the week. Okay? And then over here, I'll show you my rice. Okay? And here is the rice. This is the rice that I'm going to eat with my chicken for lunch this week. So this week I'm going to have my broiled chicken and my rice. My rice is already cooked, you guys. Don't that look good? So flaky too. I like my rice really flaky. Okay. So I just added some parsley to it. All right. All right. So that's my lunch, you guys. I have my rice. It's already ready. Okay. And then I'm going to have my chicken. And I'm eating very healthy this week. So this is my chicken recipe for work. This is my lunch prep, you guys. Prepping for lunch for work. Okay? All right. I'll let you see it when I'm done packing everything, okay? Okay, guys. So this recipe is similar to one of the other recipes that I have on my show already. So if you go in my playlist and you check the recipe for the one pot chicken and rice meal, it's called one pot chicken and rice meal. It's similar to this one. So that's why I'm not doing a real cooking tutorial on this meal because I already did one similar to it, okay? The only thing is for this meal right here, I'm only adding the onion, the red onions and some green peppers and garlic with this one. But for my other one that's already on my show, you guys, if you check the playlist, I made it with celery and onions, okay? And it's just two similar meals, you guys. And if you follow the instructions on the other one, it's just like this one, okay? So that's why I'm not doing a cooking tutorial on this one. This is my meal prep, my lunch meal prep for work, okay? But if you want to make it, just go to my the other video, okay? And follow those steps. And if you just want this, exactly what I'm using right here, you can just put the red onions and garlic instead of the celery. And it's pretty much the same recipe, okay? So just want to let you guys know that. All right. It's just now when I'm cooking, I like to just do a quick video on whatever I'm cooking. Okay. And this is my lunch meal prep. All right, you guys. Okay. I'll let you know when it's done. Okay, so I just added a few more onions to it. So I just used the yellow onion, added more to it. Now I'm gonna put the lid over it. Okay, you guys, look at that. Does that look good? Okay, you guys. I like to add hot sauce to mine. So this week, I want hot sauce. And I'm not gonna be able to take this big bottle to work, so I'm putting my hot sauce with it right now. Whenever I eat this type of chicken or any chicken, I always gotta have hot sauce. So that's one little trick to this meal to make it tastier. Add some hot sauce. Okay, guys, I'm done. So now all I have to do is make my bowls for work. Okay, look at that. This is my work food, lunch. So I just cooked the chicken until it's well cooked. And I like it falling off the bone too. Okay, and then gonna have all that sauce on top of the rice with the chicken. You see that, you guys? Don't that look good? See? A healthy lunch. Okay? Alright, so we have that and then the rice. And my rice is really flaky. Look at that. And I just added some parsley and some butter. Just a little bit of butter. Flaky rice. Okay? Alright, so now let's make the plates. We're gonna make the bowls for lunch. Okay? Lunch prep. Okay, so I'm gonna put this to the side. Alright? And here we go. Lunch prep. So, first I want to add, let me get a bigger spoon. Okay. Let's make a lunch bowl. Alright, so first off, you guys, I'm gonna add a scoop of rice. Cup of rice. And then I'm gonna add my chicken. And it's the legs, so I'll put 2 pieces. Okay. And then just add the extra sauce to it. Just like that. And that's one bowl for lunch. Okay. Let me wipe this. All right. And that's one lunch. Okay. So I'm just going to do this for all, my work week. So that's what I do for lunch, you guys. Okay. One down. Okay. Let's make another one. Okay. I'm just adding my rice. And then we add the chicken. Then we add all that good old sauce with the vegetables. And you have a good, healthy lunch. Okay, let's make one more. And then I'll speed up the camera. Okay. Add the chicken. More chicken. I like to be on a high protein diet. So I'm always going to have a lot of meat. Okay. And let's put one more like that. Hey, you guys. And this is basically what I do for my meal preps. So for this week, it's chicken and rice. Next week, I don't know what it's going to be, but for this week, chicken and rice. Maybe next week I'll do chicken and broccoli or something. Okay? Okay, you guys, I'm done. I have my lunch meal prep done. All done. See? And that's how I do my lunch meal prep. Okay, you guys? So, just a quick video to show you what I do for lunch. All right? Okay, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And please, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. And there you have it. Meal prep. My lunch meal prep. Okay, you guys? There you have it. And there you have it. My lunch meal prep.